the question here says calculate the relative molecular mass of washing soda, Na2, CO3, 10H2O. Let's get this done, please. It said calculate the relative molecular mass of this compound here. Basically, solution there. My very first task is to copy out the compound. I have Na, CO3, this is 10, H2O. Basically, from here now, what do you do from here? Yes, I can do this in two ways and still be correct. This sodium, that's 23, so I have basically there's one here, invisible one here. So if I want to, I can say, or perhaps ways to save our time, sodium is 23, so I have 23 plus carbon is 12, I have plus 12 plus this oxygen is 16, right? 16, but I have 3 oxygen, that's times 3, yeah, 3 moles of oxygen, right? This is 10 into, please, this is 10, open a bracket, this hydrogen is 1, that becomes 1 times 2 because I have 2 hydrogen here, plus oxygen is what? Of course 16. So I have this becomes 23 plus 12 plus 6 times 3 is of course 48. 48, I have 48, right? Plus 10, there should be a plus here, please. Plus 10 into 2 times 1 is 2 plus 16. So I have this. It should give, if I add up this, if I get this done, what do I get here? 23 plus 12 plus 48 plus 10, I have 93 here. Yeah? This 93 into 2 plus 16. That's 18. I have 18. Combine these two. 93 times 18, I have about 263 gram per mole. It becomes my answer to this particular question. Calculate the relative molecular mass. So my relative molecular mass of this compound is 263 gram per mole. This is how this is done.